welcome back to a. So in today's video, we'll be learning about replacing your missing values with some arbitrary values. So as the name suggests, it is replacing your missing values with some arbitrary values, but it would be same for all the missing values, as in if you have your data set as 1, no value, 3, 4 and no value. So the 2 and the 5 values will be replaced by the same values like minus 999, 999. If your data is all positive, it could be possible it would be replaced by minus 1. But we generally prefer to replace it with the combinations of 9s. Well, this is used when your data is not missing at random. So replacement by an arbitrary value is used when you have a huge number of data missing in it. And we need to keep in mind that these values are not commonly occurring in our data set. So replacement by arbitrary values will not be considered if you are building a linear model, because it is likely to be a condition that it will distort the variables of your data set and the model may not perform good. For categorical data set, it is considered as similar as replacing your missing values with the word missing. So in this way it works. Now we'll look into an example. As you can see on the screen here, you'll see that how there were missing values in our data set, and when we applied an algorithm, they got replaced by the some values over here. So in this way it works. Now let us look upon to some advantages and limitations of replacement by arbitrary values. So some of the advantages of replacement by arbitrary values is easy to implement. It is a fast way to obtain complete data sets. It can be used in production, that is during model deployment. It captures the importance of a value missing if there is none. Now let's look upon to some of the limitations of it. The distortion of the original variable, distribution and variance, distortion of the covariance with the remaining dataset variables. If the arbitrary value is at the end of the distribution, it may mask or create outliers. The higher the percentage of missing values, the higher the distortion, as we'll be replacing some values with some same number, so it will be distorting our data set. So in this way we use the replacement by distortion. I hope you like today's videos. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet next time. Thank you. Bye.